Whether you're traveling through the desert with your household servants or a horse with no name, few things are as welcome as the cooling waters of a tranquil oasis. The Bedouin tribe of the Sahara know the oasis better than most. That's why I hired one to help me design the Mr.Cool Oasis Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner.
Hello.
That's my nomad, Lisa. I used her knowledge of the high desert to help design the Mr.Cool Oasis. Lisa, tell the folks at home about crafting my oasis.
Well, we started with an energy-efficient concept developed over years of iterative HVAC engineering design process and refinement. Then we improved it using computer-aided modeling software and advanced materials technology.
I don't know what any of that means. Like I said, secrets of the desert. Well done, my Bedouin friend.
Actually, I'm from Atlanta.
Ah, Atlanta, jewel of the Orient. Hans, fetch